Welcome everyone to another training program review. Today we are focusing on a program called StrongLifts 5x5 created by Medi, which is a very popular strength training program geared towards beginners. Did I mention this program is also free? Let's get started. The program consists of 2 full body workouts, A and B. You alternate between the 2 workouts every other day while performing no more than 3 total workouts per week. So on 1 week, you will perform workout A twice and B once, while the following week, B will be performed twice and A once. You will have 1 rest day between each workout and 2 between every week. There are a total of 5 lifts you need to master, and they are all barbell compound movements: the squat, bench press, deadlift, overhead press, and the barbell row. Did I mention StrongLifts has a website loaded with free content? Check it out at stronglifts.com. Here you will find lots of details on the program, on how to perform every exercise correctly, nutrition information, and much more. As you become more familiar with the program, you have the option to add dips and pull-ups to your training as well, which again, detailed info is provided on this website. The only part that I can see that has a cost associated to it is an app available for both iOS and Android for tracking your StrongLifts workouts. The Pro version runs for $25.99 Canadian annually. However, there is also a free version that has been stripped down. I have not used the app myself, but visually it does look basic. That could be seen as a positive or a negative depending on what you are looking for from a workout logger. Here are the workouts. Workout A consists of the squat, bench, and barbell row while performing 5 sets of 5 reps on each lift. Workout B consists of the squat, overhead press, and deadlift. Again, 5 sets of 5 reps on the first 2 exercises, and 1 set of 5 on the deadlift. Yes, you read that correctly. You will be squatting in every workout. Medi does go over in detail on his website as to why he selected these specific exercises and some science behind it. Check it out. You will perform the required reps for every lift, and that is it. You do not exceed or work to failure. The idea is to add weight to the bar from workout to workout. Medi recommends that you start with just the empty bar, and with every successful workout, meaning that you met the minimal required reps and sets with good form, you add 5 pounds to that lift for your next workout. That is it. Fail on an exercise, meaning you were unable to complete the required sets and reps, then in that case the weight remains the same for the next workout. Fail 3 times in a row on a specific lift, and you strip away 10% from the bar and start rebuilding from there. The progression system is simple and leaves little room for error. Rest times range from 3 to 5 minutes between sets and lifts. Warm-ups consist of warm-up sets, with no rest in between. Medi recommends that you start with the empty bar and perform 2 sets of 5 reps. Then add 25 to 45 pounds at 2 to 3 reps per set until you reach your working weight. Then rest 3 to 5 minutes and tackle your first working set. If you are just starting the program and are starting with the empty bar, then warm-up sets are not required. Some of the pros include great for beginners and learning proper form on the main lifts, and tackling the weight game with patience. For those training at home or looking to set up a home gym, this program requires little equipment. You need a bench, a bar, some plates, and a squat rack. That is all. Excellent for building up strength and busting through strength plateaus. Tons of information available on the StrongLifts website if you have any question about anything that is in this program. There is for sure a highly detailed answer on this website. Some of the cons include, as mentioned, this program is geared more towards beginners. If a seasoned lifter were to try this, they would hit a ceiling very quickly. A 500-pound squatter can't simply add 15 pounds a week by following this program. Also, seasoned lifters have a hard time starting with just a bar for weight. As I understand the reasoning for this, so that the lifter can focus on learning proper form, the seasoned lifter should already be familiar with form and will find these workouts to be boring and underwhelming. Now, there's nothing to say you couldn't put your own spin on it and start at a higher weight. That is up to you. Some may find this program to be repetitive with the lack of variety in exercise selection. With long rest times, these sessions can last a long time. If you are looking for a 30-minute training session, then this program is not for you. This program may encourage ego lifting. One may risk injury in order to avoid failing on a lift. My advice, don't. Failing on a lift is better than being out of the gym for 3 months due to injury. That is all for this video. If you have any questions or require additional clarification on anything I went over in this review, please feel free to drop it in the comments below. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you in the next video.